Hey guys, this is Kobe with KCL Creations. Stick around, I want you to see what we do with this quarter panel and how we fix it with PDR.
Well, we actually have to create a dent first in order to fix it, so that's exactly what we're doing here. And you can see the damage is pretty severe towards that edge especially. And we're going to have no problem whatsoever repairing this using the paintless method. Now, I will tell you that this particular Volvo has literally zero access from the tail lamp assembly. That's typically what we do, is we go through these little access holes to get to the back side of the dent so we can manipulate the metal back to its original shape. So we did find an access point by taking the bumper cover off, and there's a vent hole here, which we're actually going to look inside, and that is going to be our access point. Very tight and really kind of awkward spot, but we use a variety of methods like glue pulling, as you're seeing here, tapping from the outside like you're seeing there, just whatever it takes to get this metal back to its original shape. That's what we'll do. Got a rod going inside, manipulating it that way, but you can see the end result is amazing. We brought this vehicle back to its original state without affecting anything about it in the process of repairing it. That goes a long way when it comes to getting the best value for a repair on your vehicle. Vehicle's left literally untouched, same as it was before it was damaged. You can see in the outdoor reflections that we're showing here that the results are amazing. Now, what about something a little bit more severe, like this kicked-in fender, kind of simulating a vandalism type repair, where somebody got angry at somebody and kicked in a fender? So this stuff can be repaired, and as you can see here, we're slowly manipulating that metal back into position. Now, I've got this process, sped up a bit, and this looks like it might take a couple hours maybe, but the reality of it is these repairs actually take a lot longer than most people would assume. This fender was roughly about 8 hours of work for us, and that's to get it back to its original factory state. And check out these results. And we like to show you what these repairs look like in the natural reflections around us. That door's been worked on before by body shop, more than likely, but you can see the alignment came out great. We've aligned the fender with the door. This was done 100% of the way using the paintless dent repair method. No paint, no body work, done in a matter of hours at the customer's location. Now, what about a dent on an edge of a panel like you're seeing here? Typically a dent on an edge of a panel has what's called double skin. So normally when we access the backside of a dent using a paintless dent repair tool, we're able to push and move that metal. Now we're having to push 2 layers of that metal on an edge where it folds around. So that's exactly what you're seeing here. And it's a little bit more work, but we're able to fine tune this back to its original factory condition, just like you're seeing here. Here's a natural reflection panning across the panel to show you just how well this came out. And as a recap, we're going to show you these 3 repairs back to back. And if you like what you see here, go to kclcreations.com where you can find more videos. Or if you have any general questions about paintless dent repair, feel free to call 970-815-4657. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video and become educated about the paintless dent repair process, the very valuable paintless dent repair process. Have a great day.